Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday and it's week 4 of construction. Let's see what they did at week 4. I heard it was a really busy week, so I'm really excited to show you guys what went on during week 4. So let's flip the camera here. All right, look at this. Wow. So they trenched the floors. They started already putting some of the plumbing in. I'm not gonna walk really too deep into this because obviously there's a lot of gravel and holes in the floor, but you can see this is where all the plumbing, air and vacuum and stuff's gonna be hidden underneath the floors here. So everything's all clean. This will be where the washroom is. This is pretty remarkable. Can't imagine how hard it was to cut these floors. Well, this is it for week 4. Next week, I think it's gonna be more plumbing. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. They installed some of the sprinklers too. You can see them actually in the ceiling. So that was done as well. So as you can tell, it was a really busy week for our friends at AceCon. But I think what's gonna happen is concrete leveling, more of the plumbing is gonna happen, and then the concrete leveling. And so stay tuned for that. And our new 416 Dentistry splash page is up. So to keep up with the latest information and to become a new patient here in spring, in June of 2021, make sure you sign up for our newsletter. We'll love to see you here and come by once it's all built. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great rest of your weekend. Peace.